Good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Welcome to my 2727th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Love you guys. Welcome to livewithoscar.com. So, we are looking at charts, and charts are risky because trading is risky, so never trade without putting in protective stops. Put them in first before you ever enter into a position. I don't care if that's crypto, I don't care if it's stocks, commodities, options, you name it. Put your stops in first. It is like your insurance policy. It's your safety net. Stops go in first. Okay, so for trading on Thursday, March 28th, 2024, you're looking at the Dow Jones Industrial Average Daily Bar Chart. I mentioned that there was something, the Oscarism known as the holiday reversal, that hits during a holiday week, and bingo, down we start to go. What does that mean? Well, it was going up, right? Up, up, up. And we have a 3-day weekend coming. So the week leading into that 3-day weekend, many times you get a holiday reversal. So we called for that reversal, and look what it did. Reverse, reverse, reverse. Now, look what happened here. The reversal is over, kids. We had our reversal, finished. We're out of the reversal, and the OMNI has gone bullish for trading on Thursday. So we would be buyers of dips in E-mini S&P for trading on Thursday because the holiday reversal seems over. The OMNI has gone green, and look at that right there. So that is a good enough reason, plus all the other charts I looked at that I'm not going to show you right now, to tell you that we are back to buying. We had our slight pullback, and now it's over. So that's the U.S. indices, but we've got another chart for you. Look at this one. Look at gold, traders. You know, I had this all drawn up last time you looked at it, and I showed you that there was a double top, right? Top one was here. Top two came in. Then you had your reaction down. Well, let's forget all that now, because what I think has happened is we have built a really big bull flag in gold, and most of it's built right around that last high. So instead of going up that high and failing, it went up that high and built a formation. Strong, right? So we are going to buy pullbacks in gold if we can get filled. Now, gold, understand, if this is a flag, it's got an opportunity to go from the top to bottom and back inside this flag. Now, that is 2,200 down to about 2,150. A lot of play inside this flag. But we do have a bullish OMNI signal, so we will be buying the dips for trading on Thursday. Traders, if you like these videos, please like them and share, and please subscribe. Do that right now. Hit the like button, share these videos when you can, and please subscribe. It helps with the algorithms. It helps others who need help in this arena find me. There's a lot of bad analysts out there. There's a lot of fakers. You know I'm as real as it gets, and this stuff is hardcore. Please make sure we can help others by liking and sharing these videos. So, okay. Big bull flag most likely here. You did have one jump through the big bull flag, right? But it was a one-day bar. It went up and settled back in the flag. So we'll just call that an anomaly. So you still have a big possible, and does look like, yes, one to me, big bull flag. When we come out of it, it will be the upside, right? It may jigger-jag inside the flag for a while, but when we come out, it will be the upside. We are buying dips inside that flag. Then there's something else, traders. The signal in crypto is still good. Bitcoin is still good. The buy signal that we just gave 2 days ago remains intact, and we expect more upside for Thursday and maybe even Friday. We've been using this chart to call tremendous signals in Bitcoin for the last 3 months of this year, and let's continue doing that. The signal just came in 2 trading sessions ago. Tonight, this makes it day 3. Signal remains valid. Now, for you traders who trade Bitcoin futures, Bitcoin and Ethereum has rolled over from March to May. No more H's, now we're K. No more March, now we're May. As of this evening, in Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. Make sure you roll your charts. Make sure you watch your price ladders. If you do trade futures, you do not want to trade March as of this evening. Traders, I hope that helps. You can always find me at livewithoscar.com. The reason why I didn't get in front of the camera this evening is because I'm going to take Baldwin to get his stitches out, or I should say his staples. He's got about 18 staples plus stitches. The staples come out this evening. My puppy is better. I'm so glad for Baldwin. He made such a great recovery. Thank you for all your kind words. So I will be taking Baldwin to the vet this evening to get his staples removed. Traders, that's it for now. Remember to keep your emotions out of trading. How do we do that? Say this to yourselves over and over again because it will help. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Rock and roll. Thank you so much. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.